I want to tell you about my grill mats that I just got. Now, I absolutely love these things. First thing I want to tell you is that they are 15 3/4 by 13 inches wide. Now, no matter what size grill you have, that doesn't really matter because these can easily be cut. My favorite thing about these is that they are dishwasher safe and they can go straight from your grill straight into your dishwasher. I do recommend that you give them a light brush first. If you're doing vegetables or nuts or anything like that, these are absolutely a game changer because you'll be able to use these. Now, this is a PFE-coated fiberglass, and basically it will handle up to 500 degrees. Different companies have different temperature ratings, so be careful. Do not go over or it will destroy your grill mat. Now, I'm using this one in here right now. There's 5 in the package. I took one out, I rinsed it lightly and give it a little bit of soap and water, and right into the grill it goes. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'm currently making some pork blade steaks. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just grab these and flip them. And what I want you to notice here is how easy this stuff comes right off. It's not sticking or anything like that. That's a really nice touch with this material, is that it tends not to stick at all. The only thing is that if the food that you're cooking is well covered in barbecue sauce and kind of caramelizes onto it, it'll stick just a little bit. But a simple shake like this and it'll come right loose. So check these out. I think if you buy one of these, you'll really like them. And again, you can custom fit them to any smoker that you have. I have one set that's fit for my Masterbuilt, one set that's fit for my Weber Smoky Mountain, one set that's fit for whatever I've got. I have, I think, 4 different sets of them around. Plus I also have the ones that I originally purchased that are custom made from Big Chief Smoker, and these can all fit any smoker. That's the nice thing about getting the oversized one. Simple trim and you're good to go. Check these out. I think you'll be really happy.